Greetings all. I'd like to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Kirk Reed. I am corporate weld manager for a major drilling tool rental company. I am a degreed welding engineer, but more importantly, I'm a welder also with 45 plus years experience and highly certified. I've welded on everything from pipelines to U.S. naval nuclear submarines. With that being said, this is my new YouTube channel. It is called Werewolf Welding. In the channel, I will be teaching people the fundamentals of welding to advanced welding. We will be making lots of projects. I will show you how to make money from your home garage with minimal tools, how to take the tools that you have and make other tools, how to actually break into the oil and gas industry, get some work from there. You can actually make a very good living out of your home garage with a fairly low investment, and we will go from there. The sky is the limit. I look forward to any questions that you may have. Please submit them. I will answer all questions honestly and to the best of my knowledge. If there is an issue with anything, I will make sure that I go ahead, do the research, find the right answer for you before I give you an answer. If anybody has any ideas for any projects that you would like to see, I would very much like those put in the comments also. We'll address those. We'll start with some simple ones. It's going to be very easy for everybody to make, and we'll move on from there. We will focus on MIG welding. We will focus on TIG welding. We will also later in the video series get on to making a plasma transferred arc machine out of 2 TIG welders. We'll also touch on some robotics. We're going to make a small side beam positioner, hook a MIG up to it, and use that to weld on some of the products for the oil and gas industry. So we'll take going from just minimal tools to making yourself a robot for a lot of money. If this is something that interests you guys, I hope you will subscribe. Hit the like button. That thumbs up always helps YouTube channels. I will apologize right now. I'm talking without teeth in. I had major surgery because of a jawbone problem 3 weeks ago, and quite frankly, it has not healed up yet to where I could put teeth in. We have tried, but doesn't look like it's going to happen for a little while. I've got to go back in, have some more surgery because I developed an infection again in the jawbone. So if you'll please bear with me, I think this is going to be a very good series. As I say, I've got a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and I will tell you anything that you need to know that I know or can find the answer to. Now, this is very short intentionally because at this point in time it does hurt to talk, but this is something I feel needs to be done. I want to get it out there. I've been putting it off for a while. People have been asking me about it. I will actually show you some of the machines and some of the things that we do in the next video so that you have a better understanding and better idea as to what I'm talking about with some things. The PTA machine, which is plasma transferred arc, will be one where we take 2 TIG units. In this particular one, I'm going to use a 225 amp prime weld for the pilot arc, and I'm going to use a 325 amp prime weld TIG for the primary arc. The pilot arc of the 225 will actually form an arc inside the torch head, turning the gas into a plasma, and then the arc from the 325 will be transferred to the part, and we will spray a very, very small powder, metallic powder, which in this particular instance will be spraying an Inconel based powder onto a part, and many will think it looks like magic. It's not. It's science. Plasma transferred arc was developed in 1959. It was actually found accidentally. So, with that being said, it's as old as me. With that, I'm gonna, because this is getting a little long for me, I'm gonna let that go and say till the next video, and I'll be posting that in just a couple days. I'll give you a tour of my home workshop and the particular equipment that I have, and I just moved so that you can see in the background the 2 TIG machines. In this particular instance, they're Fronius machines, and the PTA that it actually, what it looks like.